So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, iPhone 11 is the number one selling smartphone in India and many people want to buy this smartphone. And guys, now Apple is taking the decision to transfer the manufacturing of the iPhone 11 from China to India. So guys, as a result, the price tag of this iPhone 11 is going to be reducing substantially. So guys, before starting today's video, there is one request, and that is everyone watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in the month of March, Apple actually refused to transfer the production in India itself. But guys, currently in India there is a big movement called as boycott Chinese products. So guys, all of the physical smartphones or software related applications or anything that is made in China is currently unacceptable in India, and because of this factor, literally people are not buying any smartphones just because they are assembled in China. And that is a big red signal for Apple, because Apple is trying its level best to enter into the Indian economy. And guys, because of this factor, Indian government has given out couple of new policies. They are increasing the incentives, and overall I don't want to get into the complicated stuff, but in short, Apple is planning, or Apple is going to transfer the entire iPhone 11 production in India itself. So guys, this process will take minimum 6 months for the entire production to shift in India, because there are so many problems. First of all, Apple has to order all of the parts in India itself. Then later on, they have to make the production line customizable for the iPhone 11. Later on, they have to test the trial production, and because of this all process, it will take around 6 months. So later this year or earlier next year, the production of the iPhone 11 will already have been begun in India itself. So guys, now comes the most important topic, and that is regarding the price drop. Well guys, currently the iPhone 11 is available for 68,000 rupees, and on every single iPhone there is 20% import duties. So in short, 20% of 68,000 is somewhere around 13 to 14,000 rupees. So in short, after the production will start in India, the iPhone 11 will be easily available for 55,000 rupees. Yes guys, the iPhone 11 will be easily available for 55,000 rupees. The price tag can come even below 55,000. So guys, this price tag of 55,000 rupees is just because of the removal of all of the import duties. So guys, after the manufacturing starts in India, the price tag will come around 55,000, and later on the price tag will come below 50,000 and eventually below 45,000. So guys, as if for now, what I want to say is that Apple is taking the best initiatives to transfer the production of the iPhone 11 in India, because currently the iPhone 11 is the best selling smartphone in the Indian market, and Apple doesn't want to miss this golden opportunity. And guys, who knows, after the launch of the iPhone 12, Apple might also start the manufacturing in India itself. But guys, as if for now, expect a big price drop in the price tag of the iPhone 11. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this small video, and guys, if you want like this more information, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.